Hey, let me show you from my YouTube channel, I create a catalog of my YouTube videos and how Copilot can help me to tweak my catalog and make it more visible. So actually, I have Power Automate on my desktop and I create a flow. I'm not going to explain how I did it, but basically it opens my YouTube channel, browse all the videos, put them in Excel, and then I'll work on this Excel file. So let's see how it works. So I'm going to run it. It might take a few minutes, but let's see how it works. So that's a powerful tool, Power Automate on your desktop, because you can automate a list of repetitive things that I don't want to do every time, like opening the YouTube channel and go on each video and grab the URL and grab the name of the video and make an Excel file. As you can see, there's an Excel file here going on. It creates the Excel file, close it, and it should be done in a second, I think. I should receive a notification for Power Platform, but it's done here. I have now my YouTube list in Excel. So I probably can open it, even if let's take a risk. I didn't see a notification saying that the flow was finished. But here I have my list of name, title, and link. But as you can see, it's not well formed. I was not able to make it better with Power Automate. So now I'm gonna just first to transform it as a table so I can work with Copilot. So to do that, you remember you need to go create a table out of it. There's no obviously there are two columns, but there's no headers. So I'm gonna add a header. I'm gonna expand this, make it visible, and make this like that. Okay, I'm gonna name, title, and link. So the first thing I would like to remove all the blanks here. So I can ask Copilot how to do that. So I'm gonna ask Copilot to see if there's something I can do, but unfortunately I didn't find something that I can apply to the first column. So maybe I'm gonna add a column, but let's first ask Copilot how to remove blanks in the title column. So actually, I don't want to remove all the blanks, just the blank that are starting with the title. So maybe you're gonna lead me to that. Okay, can't. So let's say add a column removing the blank at the beginning of the title column. Let me spell this. So he cannot do it on the column, but maybe he can do it adding a new column because that's what he knows how to do. And he's gonna give me the formula that I don't have any clue. I'm not Excel expert. Um, so it says trim. Okay, trim seems to be the feature. So if I do that, okay, now I have a new column. Okay, so I'm gonna change the name. Video titles. Now I have a second problem is I have text here, not links. So maybe same thing. Add a column with the hyperlink of the link column and the cell value to be link to video. Maybe it's not well explained, so I can iterate to see what's the right way to ask this. But what I want is not to have to go in each cell and press enter after the end of a line, so it creates. So apparently here there's this that's not working really the way I want. So I think the formula is not well framed. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna try to see if uh, I'm gonna add a column here, YouTube link, and apparently the formula is something like that, but it doesn't seem to be correct. As you can see, there's too many equal, so probably this is wrong. I don't know why I have all this to start with, so I'm gonna get rid of this. So apparently, as you can see, the formula is link location and friendly name. So there's too many wrong characters here. So it looks like that's what it is. So I'm gonna validate that, and sure enough. So now I have two columns that I don't need anymore. I'm not gonna delete them because those two columns are using the first two. So I'm gonna just, can you hide a column? How can I hide a column? So I right click, hide, right click, hide, and now I have my catalog. Look pretty and good. So I can also make change a bit the format if I want to. Make it more center, and what else can I do? Maybe can change the color of this tab table design. I don't know if there are some suggestions. Do I want a banded row or not? Maybe not. We could try a different color. Maybe we'll take this color. It looks good to me. So now I have, my catalog with all my videos. How many are there? 93 videos that you can enjoy. So unfortunately, what I would love is, I'm hoping that one day it's going to come to Copilot. I would like to add a column, look it at the title, and categorizing the title. So I can have categories, so you could filter on category by product or by whatever category. But that doesn't exist today. Um, it might come in the future to have some function that can use AI and Copilot AI to make sense of this list. But this is a pretty damn good result, and now I can, if I want to share it, either I share it with as an Excel file, or I can export it as a PDF, create a PDF. Uh, where is it stored? Let's put it on the desktop, Copilot YouTube video PDF. And as you can see, if I had to do this in several steps, it will take me hours to go to my YouTube channel, grab every link, every video. That's going to be a nightmare. Oh, unfortunately, my PDF is not well formed, so maybe I need to reduce the size of my Excel file. You might need some iteration. Let's finish this video properly. Let's go back to this Excel file and make it maybe a bit shorter. And export it again. Not sure why it's not well formatted, but I'll try. Yeah. Let's go back on my desktop. And sure enough, I have a well-formatted catalog with all my videos. Unfortunately, yeah, I could have done. Though now, I can take the Excel file, put it in a Word document, and have the breaking the line, the header line, or repeating the header line in Word. It might be better, but you have a sense of it. This is really powerful. I hope you enjoy this demonstration, but that shows how here Power Automate can save you hours of work, and then how Copilot can lead you into Excel to format your data the way you want. Hope this was insightful.